This is part of fabricating right here.
Yeah, it is.
Look, he's giving a shovel too.
It's a hand fab shovel just for this.
People are gonna be commenting on the video below like, look how he handles the shit.
This is like a warm welcome when you show up here at BPF. You either step in shit. If you're a bad customer, he just leaves it out here for you to step in.
Yeah. That's how it works.
Oh, look at this. What a nice sight. Something different in the trailer. It's been a minute. Oh god, this door is so heavy. This is the only door that the sign that says door is heavy actually like means it. Well, hello Jason.
What's going on?
Welcome back to the channel.
Yeah.
You've been on a 6-month vacation. We got your back.
Yeah, I think I'm back to work for a little while anyway.
Okay.
So.
Well, we brought you a project.
Ready for it, man.
Something different. Have you ever done a new Corvette?
No, I haven't.
Oh, perfect.
I haven't. This will be the first one, and I got one right after this one, I believe now.
Oh, you got a couple.
Yeah, so.
All right. Well, we brought you some goodies. We brought you the car. Oh wait, hold here. Come over to this door. You're gonna laugh so hard. Now we're gonna give you the task to keep everything under the stock hood. All right. You got to keep it all under the stock hood.
We're gonna put the stock hood on spacer, so we'll have a ram air under the hood.
That thing is large and in charge for sure.
Yeah.
But everybody's getting the Super Victor. You just got one.
Yes.
I'm gonna run one on my car. Chris got the LS7 Super Victor. This is like the king daddy of them all. It's like 2 inches taller than all the other ones.
Yeah.
So, but we figured, you know, when in Rome.
It's a nice setup.
Chris, are you stuck on the one that I tied around the lower control arm?
Yeah.
Is it stuck on there?
No, I got it.
Oh, all right. But yeah, look at this. All tubular down here.
That's nice. TRZ.
And then we got some Mentors, which we're going to get once we get the car all done and get a weight on it. But right now, our biggest decision is fuel, because we're talking about alcohol. We put brown sugar on alcohol last night.
Oh.
Yeah, we got bored, and we're like, all right, so we've had these fuel pumps laying around. We shoved them on the car, and it's shooting flames. So that's always good. But yeah, we're up in the air. What do you think, Chris? Alcohol, E85, somewhere in between?
Yeah.
Somewhere in between. So that's our biggest thing. But
Sweet valve covers.
oh, you like those, huh?
Might have to get a set of those.
And we slapped some Flotex on there too, just for why not, right?
Hey, they work.
But all right. What we did do is there's no longer a dry sump tank. So the dry sump tank, which normally goes over there, is gone. The car will be set up on Holly, so as far as engine harness and all that, I don't really think there is any.
Oh, you're going here and going Holly?
Yeah, so I'm safe. I'm safe. I'm safe. I'm good. I'm good. The bet that we had going 490 stock computer, I'm cool with.
He was like, oh, you're going Holly, huh?
But we're keeping the stock computer, so that doesn't count. But we are keeping the stock computer just to run all the body control stuff, doors, windows, ignition, all that stuff. But we got that. Have you seen the air to water intercooler?
Yes, I seen it at the shop.
Yeah. So we got that air to water. We got the twin 75s. And then we got wastegates and blow-off valves, 2 of each. And then, is our goal to run the exhaust out the tailpipe?
That's what we're going to discuss now.
Yeah.
Let me see. So, depending on what you're talking about, getting rid of and stuff like that.
Okay.
When I was first looking at it, when we were going to be running, you know, thinking how we're going to run it, that front support here. So this right here clips on here, right?
Okay.
That's how it clips on. So, getting rid of all that and having just a bar right there.
Yes.
Yeah, because this plastic piece has to stay in that location.
Yeah, that's not a problem. We can
That's
come back
the
and see
only
that
reason, and then that would also give it. I guess we need something structural to keep that.
Yeah,
straight
so-
bar. But that's the only thing like I won't cut out.
Yeah, that's
what
fine.
I can see.
I can take that out, and then yeah, that's not a problem, man. Cause I'll keep the bar real high like this, and it's small.
Because the only thing with that intercooler is that it's short in height, but it's pretty wide.
And if you don't feel it needs, if you feel everything will fit with that staying there and don't have to cut, I don't care. That's fine. I'm just saying if you need to make room, that would be where I would go.
Okay.
The other thing with these with these headers. I'm sure you can see the issue here.
Well, he said another joint would be fine.
So whatever you think there, because steering is one of the more important things on this build. Being able to turn, we like that. We like that. We got it mocked up with fuel pump there, which I guess is similar in orientation. I think if anything, it would come out further more.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be out like right here somewhere.
Yeah. So, or that might be the LS7 front cover. So it might be in the right spot because we switched everything from, we're going from LS7 to F body. So we're going to bring everything back. So the only thing that's going to be on it is mechanical fuel pump and alternator. And from the looks of it, alternator is probably going to go up there, maybe, or up here.
He's going to tap it up here.
Yeah, we're going to go up here with it.
Yeah, that way to keep everything out.
Yeah, so it's just going to have alternator, it's got the electric water pump, and then it's going to have the mechanical fuel pump. We're having a provision for that.
And we're doing manual brakes too. So it won't be no booster.
Won't be any booster in it, okay.
It would just be that. Some kind of.
Yeah, that'll actually pull off. That'll come off, and you'll just have a master cylinder that goes back to the wall.
Mm-hmm.
But as in looking at, so going through the tailpipes, once you get it out of it, and we're putting new motor mounts, the small low profile motor mounts.
Yeah.
So you got those on there.
This side won't be bad. That side we might have to work with a little bit, but we might be able to swing it back.
Now I will say, like Brett's car, and you saw Brett's, you've seen his car, so you know what we're talking about. His like cold side and everything, like his turbos sit back here, and his cold side runs up through here. So I mean, when you pop the fenders off, it's got like this hard.
All the piping.
Yeah, they got everything out there.
Oh, okay.
Because I know inside the frame rails is not a lot of space, so they did a lot of stuff outside the frame rails.
Outside.
Yeah.
We can actually, that can be taken, we can turn this down if need be. You know, I could actually move this a little bit and actually have this thing where it's turned more like this. So, because it's got that angle air, we could have it to where once it's actually on the rack, it'd actually be like this.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Just might just be a couple.
This would stay the same.
Yeah,
you just
that
change
would stay
the angle. You'd bring it up some, yeah.
So that's not a problem.
Okay.
There.
What are you thinking? It does look roomy up here without anything in front of it.
Yeah, I mean,
if it was on alcohol, straight alcohol with no intercooler, it'd be a no-brainer.
oh yeah, for sure.
Shut up, John.
Just planting the seed.
You know how he does, man.
I know.
He's all about preparation.
I keep it's like, all right, yeah, take the heat off, take the air off, take it, and now it's just like,
I'll take the intercooler off. Let's just run on alcohol.
Well, we'll get it in there and see if I had to. Because the steering's going to be the biggest thing. If that pump, the mechanical pump, wasn't there.
We can ditch that pump. If we got to do it over here, if we got to do something else, I mean, we can make it happen.
if I have to do the cable, I mean.
Yeah, we'll do the cable.
Yeah, then we could. If we did that, then there wouldn't be any reason because the turbos, depending on, we could come right through there, and then, you know, once they go under there, it's nothing to it.
Did you want the factory exhaust that we had for it that you can like pair up? Because the factory exhaust is, I mean, like right here back.
Yeah.
Would that have been beneficial? I mean, I can get it to you.
Yeah. Just whenever you do, that'll be fine. We'll stick it up there just so I can kind of
have an idea.
Yeah.
All right, now we say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
That's it. We'll see you in a week when it's done, right?
3 days.
3 days is all it takes. No, we'll be stopping by. I'm gonna check in. We're gonna watch the progress of this build. I know I got to run you out some stuff, so we'll definitely be up here once. But I plan to be here a couple times to see this go through. This is going to be the fastest black ZO6 in North Carolina on Weld V Series. I feel like we were already that, but now we're going to reclaim it. But for any of you guys looking for fab work, turbo kits, chassis, rear ends, what else? I mean, you do it all.
Yeah, pretty much ground up builds.
You'll do a whole chassis, you'll do just a roll cage, you'll do everything. Jason Brazel Performance Fabrication, 252-675-2582, conveniently on his shirt right there. And also follow him on Instagram. You can send him DMs saying, hey, can you put a cage in my Del Sol?
I can do it.
And he could do it. But the car here is in good hands. Definitely making a lot of power. The engine, everything's out at TKM, so we got the mock-up block in there with the intake set up, so Jason can start hammering out the turbo kit. And I know you do a lot of trick stuff, so we'll see where it goes. And I'm excited to see it come together. I know it's gonna be badass. So it should work too. It should fly.
Yes, it should fly.
We were talking, what if it turns out, what if it's like one of the old pro the pro street cars where it just like looks sweet and goes up there and runs like an 850?
Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen.
All right, well, thank you for taking care of it. I look forward to seeing the build. I know you do. It's been a minute since you've been driving the vet around, so.
He's got cameras in there watching this car as I work on it.
All right, we'll catch you around soon. And everyone, be sure to check out Jason. I'm gonna make you post pictures of this on your Instagram so people will follow. So there it is. All right, guys, there you have it. The Silverback ZO6 is dropped off at Brazel shop. It's gonna be badass. Chris, you excited?
Heck yeah.
I can't wait. And one thing about Jason, when he starts working on it, when he gets rolling, I mean, he knocks it out. So I don't see it being that long before we have the car back and we can, you know, get the motor set in there. We do have to send the transmission off to RPM to get freshened up because it is kind of a different power glide. They're on a lot of different unique parts, so we're just gonna let them handle it. But other than that, that's pretty much it for today's episode here on the John Doc YouTube channel. Silverback ZO6 2.0 build has officially begun. We got the TRZ tubular front end kit on there. Now it's gonna have BPF turbo kit, TKM motor, and Mensa shocks, and that thing right there should fly. That's the perfect LS Nasty recipe. So I do want to thank you guys all for watching. Like always, comment, like, subscribe. Go down in the description below. Check out all the LS Nasty merch. We're gonna be heading up to Maryland this weekend for Streetcar Takeover, so we'll catch you guys there. Hope to see you guys in tomorrow's upload.